I am doing a video on how to create the collages that I use for my Beachbody promotions, my challenge groups, and creating my timeline covers. I've had several people ask me how I utilize PicMonkey. This is a free service and I swear by it. This is the only thing I use to do anything of mine. They are small enough that once you post them on Facebook, you can also save them and they will fit on Instagram as well. Your first step is to go to picmonkey.com. So it's just www.picmonkey.com. Once you get to this page, you're going to start by clicking Create a Collage. From here, you have several options for the different sizes that you want. You can click on this box here, and it'll give you different layouts. So you can use these to do your side-by-side pictures for before and afters, which I use this for also. You can use them for different challenge packs. You can use them for your Facebook cover, and it has all kinds of different layouts that you can use. So I'm going to start by showing you how I create the ones for my challenge groups. Okay, so I click on the layout that I want, and it will display to your right. And then from here, I drop in different backgrounds. You can upload them here, and you can open different photos that you want to use. So from here, I will go to Google and type in some sort of background that I want. And you can get really creative with this. Today, just to keep it simple, I'll go with a chevron green background. Okay, so I'll pick the one that I like, save picture as, and I'll just put in green background. So now you're going to go back to your photo editor on PicMonkey, and you'll go to Open Photos and scroll down until you find whichever picture it may be. So here's my green background. And all you have to do is drag it to where you want it. Now say you want this whole box to be green, you can go to each of these boxes and click off of them. And it will turn the whole thing green. Okay? And then if you say, hey, I don't like that, just drag it back. But then you're left with the open space again. So you would have to go back over here and then pick your layout again. So now I'm going to just create it with one box as the green chevron. Okay? Now from here, again, you could put in, say you're doing a healthy eating challenge and you want some veggies in here. You can find, a cool picture of, vegetables. Save your picture as veggies. Go back into your photo editor. Open your photo. Find your vegetable picture and drag it in there. Okay? So now I want to leave this space open, say to put in wording or whatnot, whatever you choose to do. So at this point, we're done putting in our pictures that we want to use. There's nothing else that you can do with this collage at this point. You've created your background and you're done. So you're going to click Save. And you'll save your photo. And it automatically calls it PicMonkey Collage. So you can go over here and save it. And then it'll say Masterpiece Saved. Now you're going to click back up here in your window to PicMonkey again to your main screen. And now you're going to edit that photo to add your wording and anything else that you wanted to do. So you're going to find your PicMonkey collage that you just created. Click on it. And here's your image with this space now open without, the funky box. So from here, I want to play around and add some wording. You can pick out lots of different fonts for free. Most of this is free unless you want to get real crazy, and then you can pay for, a updated account to get some of the royal features with the crown next to them, but I do fine just using the free account. So you can, pick whichever font you want, click Add Text, and your box will come up, and you can type in, clean eating. Okay? From here, you can change the color with this box to your right by highlighting that word, changing the color, however you wish. You can change the size. You can drag this wherever you want it. You can rotate it. You can, you know, do whatever you want. You can resize the whole box if you want. I mean, there's plenty of options. So, bam, we've got clean eating on there. Now, say that you want to add some different icons and what have you. You can use geometrics. There's boxes that you can put over here and put your wording on top of it. Okay? Several different ways you can do that. You can, this one's not going to work. But there are several different ones on here that you can use the boxes for. And if you want to move something out, you can just delete it. So here we've got our clean eating. And say I want to add a heart. Let's be real cute and add a heart. We can put the heart over here. You can move it all around, put some wording inside of it. Oops, I'm not even on the screen. Okay, so yeah, I had a heart, moved it over here. And now say that you want to add some wording to that. Go back up here to your fonts and add text, and your box will pop up. We can just put in whatever. We'll put love for the heck of it. Now you can move that on top of here. Okay, so you have several different options that you can use. You have arrows, you have doodly hearts, doilies, there's stars, comic bubbles, all sorts of things that you can use to create your collage. Once you're done here, you simply save your collage again, and then you're free to upload it and share it on Facebook. So that's just a little bit of what I do with collages. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.